What is APOB AI and what's it for? Well, as you can see on screen, I'm in the APOB AI app. It's an AI-powered character or influencer creator. What does this mean? With this program, we can create our own AI-generated character, a person with a specific face. This AI lets us use that face for various poses, taking many photos with it, making it seem like a real person. This opens doors to, for example, creating an Instagram influencer, as you've seen lately, made with AI, not real people. They post as if they were, but aren't. It has pros and cons, obviously, but that's basically what this app is and what it's used for. How does APOB AI work? Well, as you can see, this is the APOB AI interface. Let's go through its sections and how it functions, okay? First, we have this entry section with many models I've created in the community. You can view and even use these different models if you'd like. As you see, we can use these models here. And up top are the ones you've made. For example, I made this one. If you want to learn how, there's a video tutorial on the channel. Now, if we open any of these and click on model, we can use it. These are all the options for any model we make, whether it's our own model that we input to generate images, or if we create a model using AI, got it? You can use all these options in both ways. First, we have video options, okay? And image options. Also, you can create a voice for voiceless models. You have many options like generating videos with a character's face, talking avatars, image to video, or specific model and pose videos. Video face swap for specific poses with someone's face. Then you have image options in the complete set. We explain all these options in a video. Basically, you have build image for certain models like manga style pixels, considering your created avatar. A complete set in a specific area and style, okay? As you can see, cybercasting, winter, and so on. Expert mode lets you input your specific prompt and a negative prompt to exclude unwanted elements, placing the character in that exact set. Image face swap allows you to change and swap faces in a specific image. You upload an image and it puts your model's face into that picture. And finally, there's an image editor. These are all the options available within any model, and outside the model you have credits, the community section I mentioned, and a recent tab showing what you've done lately, like what I've shown here. Lastly, your profile shows your daily credit allowance and remaining balance, so that covers the program's features and what you can do with it. Let's see how we can create our first virtual influencer in APOB AI. As you can see, we have two options to generate our models. First, use and upload a model as a reference image, or create one with AI using this program's features to design a model with all the characteristics you want. We'll look at the second option because it's simpler and you don't need a high quality photo, since obviously the quality will be noticeable if it's a bad image, so this way you'll avoid problems. But if you want to be the models yourself, you can. Though it's worth noting that you can do face swap in the program later, so don't worry too much about this. Let's create the model. First, as you can see, we'll need to choose the gender, male, female, or even cephalopod. Anything goes. Let's choose the age for this person. I'll set it to 25 and select their origin for characteristic features. Oh, and before that, I'll set the gender to male in my case. As you can see, there are many options. There's a long list of countries to choose from, so don't worry about options. I've chosen my country, Spain. Next, we'll select the type of eyes we want. I want to make something super weird, so let's try violet eyes. Next is hairstyle. We'll go with a simple box fade. What hair color should we choose? Each section has many options, as you can see. How about face shape? Diamond, oval, or rectangle? It depends on the specific look we want. Finally, we have three options: dimples, beard, and whether we want the image tanned or not. Let's generate it, which will use 10 credit. As you can see, it's already made the first generation. If we want changes, we could generate more images to see if we like any better. Let's select this image as reference and give the model a name and maybe a description. Lastly, we choose public or private, but as you see, the private option is for subscribers only. We'll click create your image model now, and voila, our first image model is created. Now comes the most interesting part. Now that we've created our first model, we can do everything from creating voices to generating images or videos in various poses to create your influencer or character. As you can see, we have tons of options, from generating a video directly with the model, including audio, to working with your images. Let's try out the image part. We have different modes to create images. First, we can make your image, and we have various sections here. Within each section, there's a way to create images from this model. Based on this, we can make a Qt version, work with pixels, and do a bit of everything. We also have a complete set for specific locations, outfits, and more. As you can see, there are plenty of options to explore. Then there's an expert mode that lets us write a specific prompt and negative prompt to create a tailored image with the character we want to use. We also have image face swap, which we've covered in a video on our channel. To save time, let's go to the complete set and try one of these options. For example, let's try a photo in Cairo. We can choose high or best quality, which affects the credits used. Let's try high quality first to see if it's good enough or if best is worth it. When we generate, it starts and gives us 4 images. This gives us a variety of images to choose from. As you can see, they've generated each image and it's identical to the model we created here. It's the same person in different scenarios, and the quality is really impressive. Even though it's just high quality, not best, the results are excellent, as you can see. The quality is great with a watermark for non-pro users, but the output is still incredible. So you've got some options there that don't really make sense. Let's see how we can create an AI generated voice for our avatar or online influencer using APOB AI. For this, you should have already created a model, which is the first step. If you're unsure how to do that, there's a video tutorial available. After creating the model, we can generate the voice. We have several options, the first being an AI voice model, which basically uses AI to generate the voice for us, or upload audio if you want the voice to match your own, assuming you've modeled yourself. If you want the voice to be exactly like yours, you can upload your own audio to capture your unique vocal features. If not, you can use AI voice like I'm going to do. You'll need to specify the voice name, gender, language, and age. Choose if you want a younger voice, middle-aged or older. Add a description and click on AI voice generator. Now this is where we input the description characteristics of our model to create the voice description and previews so we can listen to it. If you're unsure what to input, I suggest asking ChatGPT for help with what you want to do. Then paste the prompt here like I'm doing. As you can see, I've already added the description I wanted. I'll input what I want it to be, shortening the phrase a bit. Now let's click on Generate Voice Model. It will generate 3 voices for us to choose from. Once you've found one you like, select it as your voice model. You've now created it easily, though it's telling me I can't save it because this feature is for the Pro plan, which requires an upgrade, but you've created it and can use it in the prompt. You can see the prompt is now ready. As you can see, it's telling me I can't save it because this is for the Pro plan, which needs an upgrade, but this is how you would do it. So now you know how to easily generate your model's voice with APOB AI. Let's see how we can do face swap with videos or images in APOB AI. We'll go to Image, Face Swap, and upload the image we want to swap. As you can see, this is the image I want to face swap, and basically what I'll do is put this man's face here within this outline. Right, let's hit generate, and here we have the final result. I know it might not seem like much changed as the 2 men look similar at first, but you'll see there's actually a significant difference. This is the initial image and this is the one it created. As you can see, this man has a much bigger nose and less groomed eyebrows. He also has less beard and looks more like the man we've created. As you can see, it's done the face swap perfectly on this image automatically. Let's see, even with Photoshop, this isn't done so easily and literally. With just a click, it's quick and easy to do face swap this way. For videos, simply come here and upload the video you want to face swap. It'll make a video, or if you've done face swap on an image for video use, click image. No, then just hit generate. Add a description of the movements you want to happen in the photo, hit generate, and you'll create that video. That's how easy face swap is for images and videos with APOB AI. Let's see how we can change clothes on our model in a very simple way. When we've created an image, whether it's a face swap or any other type, we can do this with all the examples we have here, okay? We can click on all these sections to change clothing and edit the image. First, you can obviously make the video. Here you have more editing options like generating videos from this image. You can change quality and resolution, but the more you edit and extend videos, the more credits it'll cost you. Besides this, you have options like HD enhancement, talking avatar, or clothing editing. Let's see how we can edit the clothes we have first. We'll select the image we want to edit the clothes on. we'll click upload image and upload a picture of the clothes we want to change to. As you can see, it's loading now. I'll just hit save and then generate. As you can see, it's starting to generate now. I just need to wait for it to finish. This might take some time because it's a bit more complex. As you can see, it seems to have paused, but it's taking longer than usual. As you can see, it has made that clothing change. As you can see, it's quite improved. In this case, it's done quite well, but in this bottom section, it missed changing my shirt completely. Also, you might notice some slight unintended changes in the face, but this is how I managed to do it. This photo was a bit more complex. I was on the guy's motorcycle and all. You can do this much easier, and it'll detect better with a single image, but obviously I'm putting it to the test here. Anyway, this is one option and you have all the others I've shown you. You can upgrade to HD, generate video, though it costs more. Also, make a talking avatar by clicking generate audio here, type what you want it to say, and it'll speak in the chosen voice. It's that simple. These are all the options in the editor. And that's how all these features would work. I'm feeling inspired. So before we finish, I'll do a generate audio, nothing fancy, just a simple demo. After typing what we want it to say, we just come here, choose a voice that fits what we're looking for. I'll use Jonathan's voice and click select this audio. Now it'll generate the voice, which should be funny. Hello subs and love, I wrote it wrong. Unbelievable. And it doesn't detect I love you well. Besides this, you can create a video of it speaking, but obviously that'll cost you some credits. Lastly, I forgot to mention that if you click view, from here you can download any image, and in the remix section you can remix with any other model, like a personal model or a community model. This way, once you remix the two models, basically it's easy to remix the two and you're done. Let's see how we can create videos with APOB AI. It's really simple. We have options from text to video to generate a video, where we can make story audio, talking avatars, and even image to video. To keep it simple, let's try text to video and see how well it understands us. Sometimes an image works well, we just need to add movement to it, and the talking avatar is similar, but text to video requires one more file. So let's see how good this is. Now we just need to give it the prompt for movements and what we want it to do. Here we have options. First, we can choose the aspect ratio and the quality for the video. Sorry, I meant the duration we want for this video. As you can see, we're about to generate the video. I've already started the process. This method works for AI created avatars and real people alike. It's versatile. Just upload a photo and you can generate videos this way. You've got options: generate video, image to video, text to video, and more. Now it's creating the video. And as you can see, it looks very realistic. The man is speaking in our recording exactly as I requested, and that's it. It's really as simple as that. If you want speech, you can use lip sync. This generates audio and syncs the lips to match what's being said. It's easy. Hit generate audio, create it, then apply lip sync. Done. This feature is in the video section and it's super simple. Now you know how to easily create your videos with Apogee. And finally, what we're all wondering, how much will this program cost? Well, right now you're seeing the prices on screen and we have different payment plans. As you can see, there are many options and we'll briefly summarize them. First, we have the free plan that gives you 80 credits each day. This means you'll have 80 credits to spend daily, which will regenerate. However, all images will be generated with a watermark. You won't be able to buy more credits or create private models. That is, models that others can't see. You also won't be able to create voice models. Basically nothing is private with Tecna in this plan, but it does let you make one customizable model, only 4 to 6 seconds of the best high quality image to video generator. Basically only 4 to 6 seconds for high quality image and video generation, and you'll only need to generate 16 images at 24 per day and 4 fade swaps daily. For the second plan it's 12 per month or 6 if you buy annually. This plan will give you 4,000 credits per month. To put it in perspective, that's about 1,600 more than the 80 daily credits plan. This plan allows for pass line generator, speeding up the entire process. You can generate content without any watermarks. It offers 4,000 credits and lets you buy more if needed. You can save 2 custom models for use in your projects: 100, 200 seconds of video fade swap, 200 seconds of talking avatar video, more time for high quality images, up to 4,000 short videos monthly, up to 4,000 seconds of generative audio per month and more. Basically, it offers more options across all specifications. Next, we have a plan for $15 per month, giving us 30,000 credits monthly, $15 if bought annually, $30 if purchased monthly. This plan offers a bit more than the previous one, providing 30,000 credits each month. You can buy more, with up to 6 custom models and 6 custom voices for these models. It gives more time for video fade swap, video talking, plus more images and videos. Basically, everything's improved, including better image quality. Finally, there's the mega plan at $40 monthly or $80 if bought month to month instead of annually. It provides 80,000 credits monthly, which seems excessive. I'm not sure who needs this, but if you need it, it's available. Basically, it includes everything from before, plus 80 credits each month. You can buy more, generate up to 18 different models, and 18 custom voices. Additionally, all models will evolve, which is an option I haven't mentioned before, but this starts from the micro plan, meaning the models will evolve over time. Basically, they'll become more consistent and improve. We'll have more video swap seconds, we'll have more video talking seconds, more of everything. I mean, we can make up to 80,000 short videos. If we want 80,000 seconds of audio, we can go for a full hour. In other words, if I'm honest and give my opinion, I think the macro or micro plan is most worth it. Maybe the micro is a bit short, as it's only 1,600 credits more than the nano plan, and the nano plan is quite limited, to be honest. Perhaps the macro is best if you want to be an influencer and be consistent with it. This would be a brief review of the paid plans and what each offers. Basically, each paid plan offers more, but the main differences are between micro and macro. That's where you see the real difference. So now you know about the plans and their value.